Hi, I just realized what the date was and I had to come send you this quick message. So it's December 10th, and that means the new year and New Year's resolutions are right around the corner. And if you're in the health and fitness world, New Year's resolutions are huge. This is a booming business time for us. So if you are considering or have been considering being in the health and fitness world or getting in the best shape of your life and helping your friends and family do the same, or if you want to make a lot of money in 2014, now is the time to join my team. There's almost no risk involved in joining. It only costs $40 to get started, and I will teach you everything you need to know to be a coach. It has been life-changing for me, and I am so excited for what 2014 has in stock for this business and this opportunity. And I'd love to be business partners with you and have you join me. So send me a message if you'd like some more information. I'd love to chat with you. Have a great day. Talk soon. Bye-bye.